when the concept of national education policy started doing rounds a couple of months ago at the center, as an institution we started contemplating now what could be the future of such a policy coming into the state, coming into the university and finally coming into the institution, because we were an affiliate college. Now, after that, as we were going through the entire process of understanding the policy in verbatim and trying to understand how this policy has an implication on the higher education, one thing we were very happy about the fact that we were headed towards a system which has light but tight kind of a statutory approach towards managing an institution. This is a welcome move for us. Basically, now we are going to be looked up at certain institutions which are categorically into different compartments. So, you know, one body is meant for grants, one body is meant to look at the academic curriculum, one body looking at the accreditation part of it and the like. Right from 2020 November, we started our journey. We started having discussions with various experts in the field who were involved in some way or the other in the policy making. So, these discussions have really helped us to understand how it could have an implementation or how it could possibly have an implication for educational institutions like us in the higher education space. Well, at Surana College, we had an agenda that we are going to deal with NAP at 4 different quarters. The first quarter was we are going to be looking at the statute itself. What did the policy talk about? The second component that we were looking at is what is in it for students. So, from the teaching, learning and development perspective, how would it impact the students and how would it benefit the students? The third component, which I believe was the most critical for us, is to understand how to do capacity building for our own faculty members. And the fourth component was engaging with our stakeholders. So, when I say stakeholders, we were talking about the parents, the industry and the other bodies with whom we regularly interact from time to time.